Every year in Africa, hippos kill estimated 500 people, making them the world's deadliest mammal after humans and nearly twice as deadly as lions. Hippos are herbivores and rarely bother other animals, but males can become aggressive if they sense danger. Mothers may attack to protect their young. Hippos may seem like gentle. Hippopotamus can open its mouth at a 180-degree angle and bite a crocodile completely in half with a ferocious force of 2000 psi. This bite force is 3 times that of a lion. Number 9. Giraffe. Adult giraffe size intimidates many potential predators, so young giraffes are more vulnerable. The giraffe's most powerful protective asset is a powerful kick. It gives with its front feet, with a force strong enough to kill a lion. Their large and heavy hooves can break the back of predators. Lions, hyenas, and other many predators cannot reach their throats because they are very tall. Number 8. Zebra. Their fierce fighting skills and strong social bonds help to protect zebras from predators, which include lions, leopards, hyenas, and cheetahs. When under threat, these awesome animals form a semicircle facing the attacker and prepare to strike if need be. And if one of the group is wounded or injured, other zebras will attempt to drive off the hungry attacker, all for one and one for all. Zebras have an extremely strong kick. A zebra kick can exert 3,000 pounds of force. When the zebra kicks the lion in the face, the lion has no chance. Number 7. Elephant. Elephants are exceptionally smart creatures. They have the largest brain of any land animal. Thanks to their intelligence and big teeth, they are protected from predator attacks. Elephants are highly sensitive and caring animals, much like humans. If a baby elephant cries, the herd will touch and caress the baby with their trunks to soothe it. Because of their huge size, elephants occasionally kill people, usually by trampling them. An elephant can charge at up to 30 miles per hour, making them dangerous when wounded. Number 6. Warthog. They use their sharp canine teeth as weapons. While they are not normally an aggressive animal, warthogs are known to injure predators with their sharp tusks when cornered. Predator animals don't usually attack them. An adult warthog can do incredible damage to them with its tusks. This animal and its babies are wanted to be removed by other animals. Warthogs are very dangerous for lions hunt, can even kill them. Lions have to be very careful. Number 5. Porcupine. The porcupine is not an aggressive animal and will only attack if it is threatened. Once threatened, porcupines will chatter their teeth and produce a chemical odor to warn off predators. If the threat continues, the porcupine will turn its back, raise its quills, and lash with its tail. Its quills could easily kill a lion by piercing its heart. Number 4. Wildebeest. Wildebeests are really strong animals. A wildebeest's muscles are 3 times more powerful than a car engine. They have horns that are curved to help them have protection from enemies. With a single blow of the horn, it can throw the lion far away. The primary defensive tactic is herding, where the young animals are protected by the older, larger ones, while the herd runs as a group. They are always moving and never stay in one place for too long. They also like taking naps, while some keep watch for potential predators. Number 3. Buffalo. They are big and they are strong. It has a massive head and horns, a broad chest and sturdy legs. It's said to be 4 times stronger than an ox. Buffalo is most aggressive when it has been wounded, or if one of the calves from the herd is under attack. Buffalo have excellent senses. Although sight and hearing are less well developed, their sense of smell is acute, and they use it to find food or to detect predators. Number 2. Rhino. While these horned beasts are potentially very dangerous, they generally prefer to keep to themselves. When they get angry, they attack whatever happens, and they do great damage. Adult rhinos normally have no natural predators, thanks to their imposing size as well as their thick skin and deadly horns. When they feel threatened, they'll steer their large, dangerous bodies directly toward the fight. These animals, lion, elephant, crocodile, they can attack anything without fear. Number 1. Gorilla. Gorillas are generally calm and generally herbivorous. Gorillas have large muscular arms and can do incredible damage when angry. Although the probability of encountering other predators is low, it is strong enough to split a lion in two. Thanks for watching. I'm Blondie Fox.